Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're tackling something that, well, it's become more than just a hassle. It's really one of the biggest operational headaches in American medicine in 2025. I'm talking about prior authorization, or PA.
Yeah, it's absolutely huge. And it's no exaggeration to say PA has completely reshaped the timeline of care.
Mm.
For years, deciding on treatment was mostly a straightforward conversation. Doctor, patient, done.
Right. Thumble.
But now, that's been swapped out for this whole system of waiting days, sometimes weeks, piles of paperwork, endless calls back and forth with insurers. It's exhausting.
And so it seems like the pressure is just mounting, right? We saw evidence suggesting it's not just checking a box anymore.
Not at all.
The amount of documentation they need is climbing. Detailed clinical notes, imaging reports, even old therapy records.
Yeah.
All just to get a green light for something the doctor already decided was necessary.
Exactly. And that's why we need this deep dive, this whole bureaucratic layer. It creates so much friction. And honestly, it undermines patient care, especially in areas dealing with high-cost treatments.
Like orthopedics.
Orthopedics is a perfect example, yeah. We'll use the sources to really zoom in there. But, and this is the important part, the mission today isn't just to complain.
Good.
There's actually some encouraging news. We're going to explore the evidence showing that technology, specifically AI, is finally starting to offer real, actual solutions to cut through this mess.
Okay, let's start with the friction points then, because they really hit clinical efficiency hard. The sources pointed out that a major nightmare is just policy confusion.
Oh, absolutely.
Treatments that sailed through last year suddenly need a PA now.
And that confusion, it comes from how incredibly changeable the rules are. These aren't fixed guidelines. Insurers are constantly tweaking criteria, changing which codes need pre-approval, what specific data they want.
So a doctor does a procedure thinking it's covered like last time.
Right. And then, bam, denial. They often only find out the rule changed after the fact. It's completely reactive.
So the doctors, their staff, they're constantly trying to hit a moving target, just playing regulatory catch-up.
Which, naturally, translates into a huge drain on staff time and resources.
A massive drain, I'd imagine.
It's severe. Think about the cost operationally. Your sources show medical staff, nurses, skilled assistants spending just incredible amounts of time not with patients, but buried in PA paperwork.
Wow.
Depending on the practice size, you might have people whose entire job is just fighting with insurer portals, filling out forms, chasing down statuses.
Can we quantify that? How does that inefficiency show up in, say, a typical orthopedic office?
Well, mainly it's through having to submit things over and
If you are looking for